What we're showing you here is a basic demonstration of our ClickShare CSC1 unit, which is this unit right over here with the white lights on, and that's the box that it comes in. It comes with 4 of the buttons that plug into a laptop. What you'll see here in our demonstration is I show the screen to you. You'll see my laptop has a button plugged into it, and simply by pushing the button, what's on my laptop is now on the screen here. Simple screen sharing with the touch of a button with no wires. And I can take my screen down simply by clicking on the button again. And my fellow student will do his too as well, just by clicking the button. Now his screen is up there, and also too we can do a side-by-side, his screen, my screen, or I can take over just by holding down the button. Now Keith, if you'll go ahead and take the screen over, if you'll show the full duplex, I'm sorry, the full HD video capability. Again, this is basic screen sharing. There's 2 of us on here at once. Well, there's 2 of us here. Now that's full motion, full HD video with audio, streaming with no wires. If I wanted to present next to him, I can press my button. Chris over here has one plugged into as well, and she can go ahead and push her button, and we can get 3 screens on here at one time. It's coming. You probably have to relaunch the button. Here's one more scenario here. This is the 4th button. I'll click on it now, and now we have, well, now we have 4, right? Everybody's up. 1, 2, 3, 4. We still have the full HD video going with audio, streaming with no wires. The only thing you'll see here is this button is what connects to the USB of your laptop, and it transmits right to the projector. You can connect it right to a projector or to a monitor, simply using the VGA cable or the HDMI output. So that basically is ClickShare in a classroom setting. Thank you very much.